In front of me is ULEFONE Note 13P, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off adaptive brightness on this device. You need to begin by opening Settings and choosing Display section. Now click on this switcher next to adaptive brightness. And as you can see, after that, auto brightness is on. In order to turn it off, tap on the same switcher. If you wish to, you can always go into tab menu as well and click on this little icon with a sun next to brightness slider. If the sun is blue, that means that auto brightness is on, but you can always turn it off by choosing the same icon. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!